In a world beyond what the eyes can see, where materials behave unlike anything we've ever known, lies the realm of nanomagnetism. Computer hard drives, medical imaging, and magnetic nanoparticles are only a few examples of the diverse applications of this research field. Hey YouTube, my name is Julia Frank, and I'm excited to introduce you to my new video series called NanoMagnetism 101. Throughout history, magnetism has powered countless innovations, and as we dive deeper into the nano realm, the potential only grows. But what is nanomagnetism? Well, it all comes down to atoms and magnetic dipoles. We will learn more about them in this video series and how their interactions lead to complex behaviors that enables researchers to develop new technologies, new materials, medical advancements, and etc. Did you know that data storage in this hard drive relies heavily on nanomagnetism? From revolutionizing data storage to pioneering medical treatments, nanomagnetism is at the forefront of reshaping our world. In this video series, I will attempt to lay out some basic concepts of magnetism and break down some complex ideas so that you have a better understanding of the field. Whether you're a student, an enthusiast, or just somebody looking to learn something new, I hope you will be able to find valuable information here. If you like the idea, don't forget to like the video to let me know that it's something you're certainly looking forward to. Subscribe, hit the notification, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.